Hello YouTube, welcome to your channel Highway Sailor. So finally the time is here when I will be buying one of the most important biking gear as per my understanding, and that is riding jacket. And to buy that jacket I am heading to S9 Helmet, which is on Goregaon Link Road, and I have started my ride from Vileparle on SV Road. So before buying jacket I suggest you to do some research on your end. Okay, for example, before buying jacket, I did the same research. Okay, like for example, my first shop which I went to was is in Bandra. Okay, the name of the shop is Outdoor Travel Gears. Okay, and I have tried their few jackets. I'll name that. I've tried their Rhinox, Tornado Pro, and few other brands which are available only in outdoor travel gear. My second shop I went to is again in Bandra, which is on Link Road. That this shop is behind the KFC, which is on the Bandra Link Road. But I completely forgot about the name of the shop. Again, they have the same brand like Rhinox and other two, which I saw in outdoor gears. But the guy who sits there in the shop is very rude, and so I don't want to talk about that shop. Okay, my third shop was Rider Studio, which is in Andheri, and I have tried their biking brotherhoods Ladakh, Spiti, and Explorer. I like the quality of biking brotherhood, but it वो मुझे कुछ खास इम्प्रेस नहीं कर पाया. Guys, this is my personal view. Uh, if you want to understand that jacket, I will suggest you to go and try it out. Okay, my fourth shop was AH Helmet, where I have tried ZS, and ZS is by far one of the best jacket available in the range of 8,500. So if you have that budget, please guys go for it without even thinking. The reflection, the protective gears, the paddings, the fitting of that jacket, everything is just too awesome. Okay, so I also went to Bachu, which is a shop in South Mumbai near my place, and I've tried their Tarmac 2 and Tarmac Expedition jacket. I like the Tarmac 2, okay, which was in my budget again, and Tarmac Expedition,
For a
which
price.
I really again like the jacket because the USP of the jacket is they are giving the hydrate pack, the 1 liter hydrate pack for free, and the jacket is also superb. That jacket is for 8,500. So in 8,500 range, guys, you have two good options. One is ZS and one is Tarmac Expedition. Okay, so now guys, we have already reached Goregaon, and we are almost standing outside the shop. Okay, now let's get in, and I know my jacket is waiting for me. I have met this owner Krishna yesterday. I came here. I didn't brought my camera. I came here just to see the jacket and told him tomorrow I'll be coming. Means tomorrow means today I'll be coming and I'll be buying the jacket. But I'll also get my camera with me so that I can take your interview, show my viewers what the shop is all about, what all other brands you have, and I can show you, I can take you to the complete tour of that shop. So guys, please stay with me as I take you to the tour of the S9 helmets, and I'll show you what all you can buy from there apart from the DSG jacket which I'm gonna buy.
हेलो हेलो सर जी एकदम मस्त
उनका ही कल आपसे बात कर रहा था मैं डीएसजी का निकालो ना जैकेट का आके ही होगा
so this is my buddy Krishna he is the younger brother of this fellow. He owns the shop. I don't know his name, but I know his name, so let's talk with him first and then we'll connect with him. So yesterday I came here. This guy has guided me really well, and even though his brother is a rider, but he too has lot of information and he can guide you through and he can take you through all the processes. So when you see him in this shop, please be rest assured that you are in right hands. So now I want to talk to his brother who himself is a rider. Sarji थोड़ा सा है. So Sarji, please say hi to my viewers. Uncle ji, sorry. Can you please introduce yourself, because I heard you are a rider and you have I think Infield 500. So he has 315 and I have 350 Thunderbird 2 and I have Standard 2. But how many bikes you have? So he has 3, I have 5, so I am 1 up. So which all bikes you have, sir?
right now one
Enfield. 1982.
हाँ
So I have 1960 standard. I have 1980. तो मेरे पास इनके पास 82 है एंड मेरे पास 1960 का मॉडल है. आई एम अगेन वन. So if you see, go on Google and see the review about S9 helmets, you will definitely read about this guy. He's a rider too, and I have heard that you too guide your customers to the process. So I can vouch on his brother because I had a word with him, and now after meeting him, I can definitely vouch on him. So this is his shop. So you can see loads and loads of helmet. Here you will see the gears, gloves, hair, everything is there. The mufflers, silencer, Letka, Macpills,
one more thing.
and yeah, take this sir.
One of my friends is also a rider,
Wow.
and he belongs to White Coast.
अरे सर जी आओ क्या?
He is the ex-commissioner of the operation.
Oh my God! अच्छा he's smoking. We will cover him later. So he's busy in something. Let him speak. So let me take you to the tour of his shop. He's allowing us. Thank you, Sajji. You are allowing me to take to to shoot your shop. Actually, I have to request people if I have to. So this is his shop, and these are the jackets. What all jackets he has? He has Biking Brotherhood. Then he has LS2 also. Soles, DSG. This is a brand I'm gonna buy. Rhinox he has. So
And one more brand, that is the Cranster. This
so Cranster he has. I know I have seen yesterday. वो आई थिंक ऊपर रखा है हमने. ये कहाँ रखा है? अच्छा इसमें ऊपर रखा है. तो बाजू का शॉप भी उनका. Yeah, I'll take you to his shop also. तो ये है the collection of saddlebags. The shop. So basically, when I was having a word with Krishna yesterday, so he told me very upfront that if you want to go to Ladakh, सर जी के शॉप में सब लद्दाख का सामान मिल जाएगा. So if you want to go to Ladakh trip, if you have to take a Ladakh trip, you don't have to go anywhere. Just come here, S9, Goregaon, near Harmony Mall, and you can meet this guy. सर जी अपना नाम तो बताइए.
Suren.
Suren. So you can meet Surendra, and you can take my name also. You can give it this time. So now I am here to buy DSG jacket. Yesterday I came here. I tried couple of jackets. The Biking Brotherhood का स्पीडी ट्राई किया. Then I have also tried LS2. तो उसके बाद अपने कौन सा ब्रांड बोला था अभी? क्रैंस्टर का भी ट्राई किया था. बट मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया वो DSG का. एंड आई विल टेल यू व्हाई. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट आस्क हिम टू ब्रिंग माय जैकेट. कम ऑन. Service. That's my bike.
तो Cranster जैकेट का
टेंशन नहीं. अपना वाला जगह नकल वाला. ये जगह.
मुन्ना ने कही जाती है.
Hello YouTube. So we met a mind-blowing personality over here. Okay. In biking fraternity, he's known by the name of Sir John. And to give you a brief introduction about his background, he's from police department. So I don't want to mess with him. So let's hear it from Sir himself. How did he came into the riding and all this stuff? So he was just explaining me, but unfortunately my recording went off. So I again have to trouble him, and I hope he won't mind.
No, not at
So,
all.
sir,
It happens at times. Yes, doesn't matter. See, I was in the department as you rightly said, but I have retired now about 10 years back.
Oh wow!
Today my age is 71 running.
Oh my God, you look younger than me, sir.
Yeah. You shave off your beard and you will look like younger too.
Yeah, that's the thing. I don't want to do that.
Actually, I had this passion for riding a bullet,
Okay.
which in the department it was different, and I was in a senior position, so I could not ride a bike. So when I retired, I said, okay, now I'm retired, nobody is going to stop me and I can do my riding.
Definitely.
So I started my riding in 2006.
Oh, that time I was just in 12th, not even having a license. Sir, are very serious, sir.
Yeah. So I started that. Earlier I started with a club called Mocha Bike Association.
Mocha Bike Association, okay.
Thereafter the club somehow had some problems, technical problems, and it got closed.
Oh,
Then I switched over to Bison's Ride Art.
Bison's Ride Hard.
Yeah, we are more than 100 members.
We have a website.
We have a website.
If my subscribers want to join you, what is the process?
Simple, go to the website.
Okay, go to the
bisonsrideheart.com.
Bison's Ride. So if you want to join Sir's group and if you want to meet him personally, all you have to do is to join bisonsrideheart.com. You have to go on Google and just enroll yourself and be a part of the rider. I'm gonna do the same. I don't know.
Most welcome. Most
I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna say ride with sir. So that was sir, and
I would like to add something here.
yeah, please do that, sir.
Because I'm riding for the last about 10 years
Okay.
and I've been doing all over the country and riding. My longest ride was Leh Ladakh, as you all know. I've done my Leh Ladakh
Mind blowing. I went.
2014
Oh.
and I'm also in the Limca Book of Records.
Oh, that's great. I got some good content.
Yeah,
I
and
got a
I'm
bag.
there because I was the oldest man to go to Khardungla,
Oh.
the highest motorable road in the world.
So I am fortunate to meet the oldest guy who went to Kadungla. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is it's my immense pleasure sir to meet you. I'm speechless. I'm 21 and I'm just thinking to go and I'm thinking of all sorts of road and kitna hoga, mera kya problem hoga and all this stuff. And you sir and while having a discussion with him, I just noticed one tattoo. I mean
Yeah.
sir, oh my god, you can see how die-hard biking guy he is. I mean, wow, salute to this. I mean, thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you
And
for-
you're most welcome to join our club.
Please, now I will definitely
And
join.
we are also the part of this all over India. There's an organization called Bob MC. If you ever heard of
Bob
it.
MC.
Bob MC
Okay, Bob MC.
is apex body for all the clubs
Oh,
all over India.
oh, that's great.
Yeah,
Then I would love to join, sir.
yeah. It is Brotherhood of Bullet Motorcycle Consortium.
So, Brotherhood of Bullet Motorcycle Consortium.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So I am meeting a serious guy over here. I mean, and I used to consider myself as a bullet fan and as a rider, but after meeting him, I am no one. I am just a beginner.
Everyone is a rider, and everyone who rides a bullet is most welcome to join any club. I would recommend my club.
I will definitely. I will also recommend you his club. I mean, because I am also going to join his club. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you for giving me your time. And I am immensely. I don't know. I'm so damn happy to meet you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
तुमचा मला नंबर मिळू शकतो सर
Zarur, why not?
Can you take down?
Honda 5. Honda 5.
Hey, so here it is my DSG jacket, and these are the extra protective padding which is stitched over the fabric of jacket. And this was one of the two reasons why I decided to buy DSG jacket. As you can see, there are padding on back also, so back as well. So these jackets consist of two liners. One is rain liner and second is thermal liner, and the fitting is also great, guys. Really love this jacket. Let me try this jacket out. Okay, how am I looking? Great, na? Guys, it is always advisable to buy a size smaller than you wear. For example, if you are wearing double XL shirt, okay, so go for XL, because post you remove your liners, which is rain and thermal, the jacket will still fit you while doing your summer rides.
Round 5. Round 5.
Hey guys, so let me take you to the short tour of the shop once again. These are the collections of saddlebags, and believe me, guys, these are one of the best saddlebags I have ever seen. Okay, he has some great colors as well, and this guy over he is meanwhile teaching me how to detach my liners. These are the collections of Vega helmet. Let me tell you one thing, guys. He also owns a shop next to this shop, which is only for helmets. So if you these are not the only collections of helmet he has. He has lots of other helmets as well, which are LS2, Vega, Steelbird, whatever it is. So you have to come here to check this out. So right now it's time to pay. As I said, my second reason was the price. This jacket costed me for around 6,500. 7,000 दिए थे 500 रुपये वापस आ गए. Very good. So this jacket costed me 6,500 and but that's it, guys.
So bye bye. I will see you at my place reviewing this jacket, giving you the details. Right now it's 8 o'clock and I am hungry. I will go. I'll reach home. Most probably tomorrow I'll be doing this because अभी मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ. सुबह से काम पे आया, काम से फिर यहाँ आया. So I am pretty much tired now. So I am gonna show you the detailing of this jacket by tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, Shabakar. Hasta la vista.